In January 2021, after not feeling well for a couple of weeks, my doctor sent me to the ER for an evaluation. That night in the ER, the doctors and nurses told me two things that were shocking to me. First, I had COVID, and second, the COVID had wiped out my kidney function and I needed dialysis. As someone who had been diagnosed with kidney disease at 18 years old and who had undergone a kidney transplant at 28 years old, dialysis had been my biggest fear. And here's why. As a doctor, everyone I had seen on dialysis looked like they were at death's door, and they looked like they had resigned themselves to dying. They had given up. Hearing that I needed dialysis was devastating. I cried. In fact, I bawled my eyes out. But then I decided that I wasn't going to do dialysis like I had seen people in the hospital and dialysis centers do it. I decided to do dialysis my own way. As a result, I learned some incredible lessons, one of which I want to share with you right now. Here's something that I know for sure as a neurologist. Your brain is always looking to prove you right. It has a built-in system designed to prove you right and make you aware of everything related to your thoughts. I had to change the messaging about dialysis that I was feeding my brain. Because if I focused on death, that's what I would have gotten. Instead, I focused on health and life, and I received that instead. It allowed me to break through my limiting fears and my limiting beliefs. So what messages are you telling yourself? That's why I created the #1 brain makeover course there is to help you take charge of your brain, change the limiting beliefs and fears that are holding you back, and therefore change your life. So if you're interested in changing your beliefs, changing your thinking, changing your physiology, changing your brain, and therefore changing your life, click the link. Because I changed my beliefs about dialysis, I thrived during that period of time. During dialysis, I exercised, worked, helped patients, traveled, underwent a lot of personal and professional growth. I even had a news agency following me around. Because I took charge of my brain, I changed my experience, did very well on dialysis, and months later was blessed to receive another kidney transplant from my cousin-in-law, Scott.